Got my boots on, but I'm staying in. Apron tied, let the day begin. Oven's humming like a fiddle tune. Butter melting by the light of the moon. Ain't no rodeo, ain't no barroom floor, but I'm two-stepping across my kitchen floor. I'm baking cakes and breaking hearts with a little bit of sugar and a whole lot of art. From the county fair to grandma's place, there's love in the layers and joy in the taste. It's how I heal, it's how I start. Baking cakes and breaking hearts. Mix it slow like a southern drawl. Dust of flour floating through the hall. Granddad's recipe, mama's old pan. Pouring in love like only I can. Ain't no spotlight, just a stovetop glow, but this little kitchen steals the show. I'm baking cakes and breaking hearts with a little bit of magic and a country girl spark. Cinnamon swirls and a touch of grace. Frosting every memory I just can't replace. It's my peace, it's my art. Baking cakes and breaking hearts. Don't need no stage, no rhinestone shine. Just some powdered sugar and a pinch of thyme. Tell my story in a pie or a tart. Yeah, I'm baking cakes and mending hearts. I'm baking cakes and breaking hearts. From early morning till the starlight starts. If you taste a tear, that's just the part where I love too much but make sweet art. Life falls apart, but I'll do my part. Baking cakes and breaking hearts. Mix it slow like a southern drawl. Dust of flour floating through the hall. Granddad's recipe, mama's old pan. Pouring in love like only I can. Mix it slow like a southern drawl. Dust of flour floating through the hall. Granddad's recipe, mama's old pan. Pouring in love like only I can. Pouring in love like only I can. Ain't no spotlight, just a stovetop glow, but this little kitchen steals the show. I'm baking cakes and breaking hearts